Welcome to week 2 of your Intro to Holistic Medicine course. I'm your professor, Dr. Erica Steele. And so this week, we're going to be discussing subjective data, motivational interviewing, and bias in holistic medicine. So if you've been through the course so far, we've talked about the medical monopoly, Rockefeller's influence on medicine in general, but holistic medicine's impact. We've also talked about suppression of holistic medicine, as well as ethical standards. So if you haven't watched those videos or looked at that information or contributed to the discussion so far, please do so in your communities. The replays are available. So also, too, there's still time if you want to be able to register and enroll in the course. Feel free to do so. The link is in the bio under Register for Intro to Holistic Medicine, and you'll begin to receive the emails and join the community, etc. All right, so this week we're going to be focusing on subjective data analysis and motivational interviewing and recognizing your bias within your case taking. So we're going to really talk about how subjective data helps us to uncover root causes of many different conditions. And so we're going to be using a specific questionnaire to assess those health imbalances, because a lot of times people come in and even though they want help, they're not as self-aware about their symptoms. So we'll use this questionnaire as a way to be able to almost jog people's memories so that they can give you accurate information. And then we'll also really get into motivational interviewing techniques. And that way, when we're using those, we can guide our patients through their behavioral change. And then lastly, we're going to recognize as well as overcome our biases when we're working with people, especially when it comes to holistic health assessments. Also this week, our important live events, Morning Flow, which is just a delightful 15 minutes of movement, 15 minutes of meditation, 15 minutes of journaling, and 15 minutes of planning your day, is held Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and replays are available. Also this week, we will be discussing holistic health and hypertension. That is a Thursday webinar at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in that, there is a link below to register. We also have our live class, Subjective Data and Bias in Your Case Taking. Again, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then our companion follow-up class on Saturday, we're going to deep dive deeper into your results and really get into the nitty-gritty of motivational interviewing. So that's going to be Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're registered for the course, the replays will be available in your course shell. Otherwise, we'll just have it live, and then it goes away from there. Also, next week, I am going to have an evergreen webinar on the hidden dangers of conventional healthcare. So I'll be recording that next week, more than likely on the 27th at 12 o'clock. So this week, your action items are to complete your reading assignments, watch your video lessons, or participate in the live webinars, take notes, and definitely engage in the discussion. So the more that we continue to kind of talk this out, the more we can really wrap our arms around it. All right, so let's talk about subjective data and really what all of that means. And so we will get into that with a video as well. We will talk about the nutritional assessment questionnaire that we'll be using, and we'll be getting into all the components of that. We'll be also discussing, again, motivational interviewing. And then lastly, our bias in holistic medicine. So we have a jam-packed week, a lot of things to learn about and experience. And so definitely check us out. Super excited to see you all around our virtual campus. So take care.